I have a shaft here that I intend to extend the length of to fit onto an electric motor. So what I plan on doing is drilling a hole in the end here and fitting an extended piece, welding it in and then machining back down to the original size. As you can see, I have it set up in such a way that the center carrier is supporting the shaft so that we don't get too much vibration. We're now drilling a hole 15mm diameter, approximately 25mm deep. The idea of that it will line up with the spigot end that we are going to fit to extend the shaft. And now we're machining the spigot to go into the end of the shaft. So now we have the finished spigot ready to go into the end of the shaft. You'll notice I've put a knurl on to help to locate it in the shaft as a fairly tight fit. I'll press that in and weld in position and then machine down to size. And here we have the finished shaft and motor, complete with new keyway and key and the extension piece to go between the two units. Keyway cut and everything ready to go. Well, thanks very much for watching my video. Please feel free to make any comments. And be sure to look out for more videos in the future. Thanks very much. Bye.